I can't wait for this extreme makeover. Are you ready for it?
It means so much that you're here. Welcome back to Do It on a Dime. Today we're tackling this bathroom all from the Dollar Tree. A friend reached out to me and shared this space. It was definition overwhelm. Have you ever been here too? Overwhelm happens when you think you need to try to figure out everything all at once, and instead you just end up doing nothing. I feel for this so much. Sometimes we're depressed or anxious, and one pile just ends up breeding into another. She works full-time, actually 2 jobs, and recently lost a house cleaner who was helping with some of these tasks. Maybe you have an awkward space like this too. The storage underneath of the sink was a lot, but there were no drawers at all, so everything just kind of ended up in a pile, and the system she tried to incorporate didn't end up working. So everything just ended up on the counter, which felt really crammed. This space bothered her every day, but I will say this, as much as cleaning is an action, it's equally a strategy. I headed to Dollar Tree with just $40, and I said, we're gonna make this a space that she loves and equip her to be able to keep it that way. And you too, my friend.
If you're feeling really defeated by your space and you're thinking, I don't have the creativity, the room to work with, I've got you. This applies to anywhere. This is the hero product of Dollar Tree right now. I've mentioned it so much. It is an under sink organizer with acrylic legs. It is only $5. This is an incredible deal.
My goal was to spend as little as possible and only get products that would have a huge visible impact.
Especially if you have a small space. Come to Dollar Tree and look for these eye concepts lights. They have motion sensors and they're rechargeable. They're only $5. This is a brand new product. Something like this can totally change a space. This is an amazing deal, and they have new patterns now. These shower curtains are just $5.
And this is brand new right now. They come with the curtain and the rings. This is an amazing deal, and they come in all sorts of patterns too.
This aisle is magical. They have these pump lids that screw onto mason jars, so you can do this for your hand soap. I think this is such a cool DIY.
This is just $1.25. I hope your store has this too, and I put it right on top of a Dollar Tree mason jar.
But the unsung hero is down here. This is a 3-compartment organizer. Check this out. These are really cool, right?
For your bathroom, keep your eyes peeled for the acrylic storage. This price is unmatched at $1.25. They come in different shapes and sizes. Also check for the over-the-door hook hangers. These 2 are my absolute favorite. They don't mess up your door, and I also found this Island Escape. This is a brand new air freshener gel, and it actually shipped from my hometown in Northville, Michigan.
Oh my goodness. Come, we found it. Okay, they have these new containers. Plus, you can combine it with this down here, and the fit is gonna be just right. Like, we're talking solid fit.
I love this hack, and seriously, this works under almost any sink. Grab these little cabinet shelves and then 2 low-profile, narrow wicker baskets. These work incredibly well to maximize and double your space. I also really love the sage green organizers, and I grabbed a few of these and some cleaning products, but more on that in a minute. I wanted to make this easy. If you have ever felt paralyzed by the thought of starting a really big project, like you don't even know where to begin, I'm gonna give you a recipe, and this works, especially in the bathroom. I sat her outside the door and I gave her each product one by one, and I said, here's what we're gonna do. If you use this product every week, I want you to get excited about it, clean it off, and set it aside. That's good to keep. When you come across a full, unused product, I want you to throw it away. Don't think about it, throw it away. If you encounter a product that's less than a quarter full, I also want you to throw it away. At 2 jobs, you're making decisions. With your kids, you're making decisions. You're making decisions in every other spot of your life. You do not need to make another decision. Most of the time, very much of the time, you don't need more containers. You just need less stuff and a little bit of elbow grease. And the one thing I can guarantee is absolutely worth decluttering is any shame or guilt that you hold about a space being like it is. And you can then really focus on the gifts, like seriously stay in gratitude. I firmly believe, because I've done this to hundreds of different spaces online and off, that decluttering makes old stuff seem new. When the distractions are gone and it's just the stuff that you're actually using, it feels like it's new again somehow. The space is actually working for you, not against you. And yes, oh my goodness, we donated all of those drawer containers that she just couldn't use. And we even donated some hair dryers and some old shampoo bottles. I have found that there is so much freedom in boundaries. If an item had less than a quarter left, let go of it. And if you haven't used that item in a year and it's completely full, let go of it too. Try that in your space and see the magic that happens. I think there's a lot of freedom in structure. And then I took these Dollar Tree products like Spick and Span and lots of lavender scents, which is her favorite, and I put together a simple cleaning caddy. This is one of my favorite tools to keep around my house. She could stick this in her linen closet, so when she's ready to clean, she has everything right there for her. And I don't know who needs to hear this, but all those extra thingamajigs, you know, the thingamajigs that go on the end of a hairdryer, if you don't use that, get rid of it. Just because it came with a hairdryer or it came with a product, if you don't use the extension tool, give yourself permission to let it go. We were able to declutter her space by about 50%. This is all of the items that remain. This is everything that she actually uses and loves. I think there's something really beautiful about asking for help. I have found in most spaces that I work in, usually the person that I'm helping doesn't stop after I leave. There's something about being with a friend and you're laughing together and you're cleaning, you're chatting, you're starting to see the progress unfold, even having that accountability. I know for me and my house, that has definitely been true. Sometimes it helps you remember the things that you really want to have front and center that are important to you. So she really loves fragrances. We were able to stick these on this little corner shelf. She can see them every morning and feel inspired. And all of these containers are from the Dollar Tree. I love the clear acrylic ones. I set them on this beautiful tray that she already had at home. And I grabbed this from my cabinet. This is that little bird container. I don't know if you remember this from a previous video, but I put her facial toner in here and then I set the pretty bird on the top. This is so elegant at just $1.25.
Do you know what? He's probably like, oh, there's a sink here.
Remember, it's not just how you choose to organize, it's what you choose to keep. And what's more, how is it going to come out of that space? These rectangular bins fit the makeup organizers perfectly. She can take it out, put it on her counter when she's ready to get ready in the morning. And putting it away is ridiculously simple. What season are you in? Have you allowed your home and your space to reflect exactly where you are right now and be a gift to yourself? And wait till you see these next two game-changing products. For $5, Dollar Tree also carries these beautiful rugs. I was so excited to find these. These paper organizers are my favorite bin for hair tools, but I think I love the most a trash can that sticks on the side of the door. It's peel and stick and so awesome. It's great for removable makeup wipes as well as makeup removers in general. It's really inexpensive. I'll be sure to link it below. A space that was driving her crazy, she couldn't get organized, suddenly had purpose. You've got this. I really, really believe that.
And do you want to hear a secret? I do lots of spaces like this. And the biggest story I hear from people is a story of shame. They look at their space and they're just in this spiral of negative self-talk. But I have found a big secret when you're organizing your home is to talk to yourself like a friend. When I walk into somebody's house, I don't see a giant mess. I don't see all the stuff and the decisions that I made and everything that I bought. I walk into a space and I see solutions. I see resilience and creativity and ways that we can make this space better. But sometimes when the space is yours, it's easy to dwell in what is going wrong. This is gonna be hard to fix. I can never do it. I can't see a solution. This feels overwhelming to me. So to step back and talk to yourself like a friend, and if you don't have somebody you can call, let me be your encouragement today. See the creativity and the possible solutions that are in a space. Encourage yourself just like you would a best friend. You don't have to dwell. You get to find a new story to tell. My beautiful friend, if nobody has told you today, you are enough. I'll catch you soon.